Hello everyone, my name is Santiago. I am an electronic engineering student. Today I am going to talk about my dream life in 10 years. In 10 years I will live in comfortable house in Colombia. It will be bigger and more modern than my current home. I will be an electronic engineer. I will work technology and electronic systems. I might also have my own company. My daily life will be busy but interesting. I will work on engineering projects, exercise regularly, and spend time with my family and friends. Jobs will be more technology. Engineers will work on artificial intelligence, robots, and advanced electronic systems. Cities will be smarter, cleaner, and safer. Technology will make life easier for everyone. I will visit many places in Colombia. One of my dreams is to travel to the Amazon rainforest. I will explore nature and learn about different cultures. I will be able to travel more often and I will have more professional experience. I could also learn new technologies. I will enjoy traveling, learning new things, and achieving my professional goals. I won't waste my time on unnecessary activities. I will focus on my future and my personal growth. Thank you for listening. Have a great idea.